Hey guys, welcome to my garage here, and today we're going to do a full bolt-on unboxing for the Civic Type R. And as you can see here, I have all of the parts, so let's get started. So I have this trusty tool here. Shout out to my little brother who got me this for my birthday. See what's in here first. So I believe this is the PRL Titanium inlet. Oh no, these are the charge pipes right here. Really nice. Looks like it's pretty good quality. Let's see what this is in here. Yep, charge pipes. All right, so we'll put that to the side. Looks good. Let's see what the next thing is here. Oh, my phone's going nuts. I just showed my friends that I had some stuff come in. What's in here? This is probably the charge pipe. Or the titanium inlet tube, I should say. Yep. This looks cool. Oh, it was really light. Let's see. Oops. So excited. I'm nervous at the same time. Oof, that looks good. Oh yeah. Take a look at that. Wow, that looks awesome. This might not do anything power-wise, but I just wanted to have everything full package, you know? Put that on top of there. This is probably the intercooler here. Let's see. Oh man, looks good. Try to see if we could. Probably gotta cut this tape. Let's cut this. This. Hopefully we don't damage it. Okay, we should cut this too. For video purposes, we'll cut that. And wow, take a look at that. That looks good. Let's keep it moving here. Let's put this guy to the side. Get this out again. This is the charge pipe. I mean the inlet. Keep saying charge pipe. I'm not sure if this is. I wonder what this is. Oh, this is probably the front pipe. That looks good. These are probably the gaskets. Nice work by PRL. Welds look good. Get going with that. See what's next here. This is probably the ReMotor Mount by PRL. Okay. Yep, that looks great. Wonder what thickness this is. I mean, in terms of stiffness, I guess we'll find out. Include a bunch of stickers with all their products. I probably won't be using those, but it's nice to see that. It looks like some sort of lanyard was included too, which is nice. Let's see what this is. This is probably my ECU from Derek Robinson. Man, I can't unbox boxes today. It's my unlocked ECU from Derek. Thank you, Derek, for unlocking that and getting that back to me really quick. Appreciate it. Here, maybe let's take a look at this guy. This is the Flash Pro Mini. It's supposed to be new. I'm used to the traditional Flash Pro, so this is pretty cool. Space constraint type of product. This is nice. People have said they had some issues with the pins, so I just got to be careful when I try to plug that in later. We won't be doing this for a bit anyways. It's nice. Let's put this with the ECU. All right, let's see what we got here. Ooh. Shout out to multiple people for this support package I got going. This is the two-step performance downpipe, which is pretty much back ordered everywhere with the RV6 Titanium turbo studs. So shout out to Reza at Boosted Performance for the PRL intake and the two-step performance downpipe he had in stock. Oh, it looks like this thing's open. It's all right. But essentially, he gave me these as well with the downpipe. Shout out to Corey at Two-Step Performance for some of these bolt-on parts that he had in stock. And shout out to Luigi for the intercooler, not the intercooler, but the front pipe and the rear motor mount, because he had that in stock. So I supported a little bit of everybody, which is nice, in my opinion. Man, this thing is sweet. Pretty heavy. Looks like we got some other studs here too. Is that interesting? And gasket. We have gasket in there. So this is the gold right here, because it's almost impossible to try and find these right now in the States. So let's put these turbo hardware studs with that. It looked a little shorter than I thought. Maybe it's a little deceiving, but and here, highly anticipated PRL HVI intake system. Let's see if I could open this box. Hopefully everything is in the box. Got the couplers, a bunch of other crap in here. This is cool. The filter's in there, I think, as well. Gotta put some Loctite probably, some of these, because these always come out, especially from the FK8. But that's nice. Oh, and we have a little duct here too. That's awesome. Like some glue here. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and try to start this install. I'm probably not gonna document it because I want to focus on the car, make sure I don't mess anything up. The turbo studs is probably gonna be the biggest thing. I want to make sure that those don't get stripped, but maybe I'll record it along the process. But thank you guys for watching. Quick unboxing, and let's see how the car feels.